everyone, welcome back to Masaule'S live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, we're talking about Uthando Nesthembu, season 6 episode 10. Well guys, we finally met Lungelo Saul Makhumalo kade khala ngaye on the previous episodes. Lungelo is Cindy Masaule'S son kade shade no Masaule'S. Unfortunately, she passed away with car accident. Lungelo ke akazalwa uMusa. He is Musa's stepson. What Makhumalo wanted to do was to bring closure to Lungelo since she last saw him kwi funeral kama wakhe. Lungelo guys doesn't know how his mother passed away, so Makhumalo explained to him ukuthi his mother washona kade evakashele yena uMakhumalo kwaKhumalo eMzumbe. After she left wabe sethola ucingo lomtshela ukuthi ke she passed away on the car accident. His son Lungelo guys was still very young by the time, and it's been in Makhumalo's heart to meet him and rebuild a relationship naye. Well guys, Lungelo mentioned ukuthi she don't have a problem with uMakhumalo, but he does have a problem with Masaule'S, who he thought was his biological father, and emva kokushona kama wakhe uthi he never contacted him. And from Masaule'S uthi ke ifamily kaMasauli yam reject yena Masaule'S, and he couldn't build a relationship with Lungelo. Now that he is old enough to make his own decisions, they can start over. Well guys, Lungelo guys is very handsome, and I must say, judging from the comments zabantu, he stole many people's heart already. Unfortunately, guys ukuthi ke Instagram page yakhe is private, otherwise ngabe seyitholile impela cha icelo zemshado. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Well guys, but before I end this video, I just want to give Makhumalo her flower guys. Yeah, wenze kahle bakithi uMashobane wayifuna ingane kaMasauli, wahlangana nayo and wayinika le closure ekade idinga empilweni, because he mentioned ukuthi yena akazi ukuthi wayethu uma wakhe washona esuka eThekwini. So Makhumalo just gave him a closure ukuthi what really happened to his mother. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.